Welcome to Divine Spirit Messenger. My name is Tommy Xavier, and I'm a psychic medium and Reiki master. In this meditation, we will clear, align, and activate all chakras, restore harmony to your entire being, and deepen your connection to divine guidance. As we begin, take a moment to find stillness. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale, releasing all tension. Now I call upon divine light, the highest beings of love and wisdom, your spirit guides, angels, and ascended masters. Say out loud or in your heart, I accept alignment, healing, and divine guidance. Take a deep breath in, hold, and exhale. With each inhale, you draw in divine healing light. With each exhale, you release all stress, heaviness, and imbalance. Now, visualize roots extending from your feet, anchoring deep into the earth. A wave of warm, grounding energy rises through your body, centering you in stability and strength. Say out loud or in your heart, I am grounded, I am safe, I am present. As I now burn sacred sage, its smoke arises and clears away all negativity, stress, and energetic blockages. Anything not serving your highest good is dissolving, leaving only clarity, balance, and peace. Feel the sacred smoke moving through you, purifying your aura and energy field. Say out loud or in your heart, I release all that no longer serves me. I welcome clarity and light. I now activate Reiki energy, sending divine healing light through your chakras. As I move my hands over each energy center, visualize them glowing brightly, coming into perfect balance. I am sending you Reiki energy to your crown chakra, the chakra of divine connection. A radiant white light pours through you, connecting you to the universe. Say, I am one with divine wisdom and light. Now, I move to your third eye chakra, the chakra of intuition and vision. Your intuition is open, and divine wisdom flows effortlessly to you. Say, I trust my inner guidance. Now, I'm sending you energy to your throat chakra, the chakra of truth and expression. Your voice is strong, clear, and aligned with your highest truth. Say, I speak my truth with love and clarity. Now I'm moving on to your heart chakra, the chakra of love and compassion. Love flows effortlessly through you, healing and expanding your heart. Say, I give and receive love freely. The next chakra I'm sending energy to will be the solar plexus, the chakra of confidence and power. You radiate strength, courage, and personal power. Say, I am powerful and confident. Next, the sacral chakra, the chakra of creativity and passion. Your inner joy, confidence, and creative flow are restored. Say, I embrace my creativity and passion. Lastly, I'm sending Reiki energy to your root chakra, the chakra of stability and grounding. You are safe, strong, and deeply rooted. Say, I am grounded. I am secure. Now, I introduce the healing vibration of tuning forks to elevate your frequency. Feel the sound waves washing over you, dissolving tension, aligning your energy, and amplifying your healing. Let the sound recalibrate your chakras, bringing each into perfect harmony. Say out loud or in your heart, I align with peace, love, and divine harmony. Take a moment to take all the energy in. Your chakras are now fully aligned, glowing with divine energy. A golden pillar of light flows through your spine, anchoring your energy into the earth and the cosmos. Your spirit guides step forward, placing their hands on your shoulders. They bless you with protection, wisdom, and strength. Feel their presence, their love radiating around you, offering messages, guidance, and healing. Trust that their support is always available to you. Say out loud or in your heart, I am whole, I am aligned, I am divinely guided. Now I seal this energy with a protective golden white light. It surrounds you completely, shielding you from all negativity and allowing only love and light into your space. Your energy remains clear, strong, and balanced. Say out loud or in your heart, I am protected. I am in harmony. I am at peace. Affirm with me. My chakras are in perfect harmony. I am balanced, healed, and empowered. I radiate confidence, peace, and love. I trust in divine guidance and my highest path. This energy stays with you. Your spirit remains aligned. Your power fully activated. Say out loud or in your heart, I am at peace. I carry this light within me always. And so it is. Blessings to you always.